Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we created this look using the Huda Beauty palette. So if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. To start out this makeup look, I'm going to be using the bareMinerals Primetime Foundation Primer. I'm going to put a little dime size on the back of my hand and then apply it everywhere on my face and then rub it in. To prep my lips, I'm going to exfoliate my lips with the E.l.f. exfoliator in the flavor Brown Sugar. Now I'm using the E.l.f. lip balm and coconut milk to moisturize my lips. Now that our primer has been setting, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl's Outlast Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation in the color 810, which is Classic Ivory. I'm applying it all over the face in dots, and then I'm going to be pouncing it out with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Girl, so we have to do that double chin, make sure your foundation blends your neck, because sometimes we mess up with matching our foundation like I did. Now I'm taking the Naked Cosmetics Translucent HD Finishing Powder. And taking any big fluffy brush, and we're just going to dap into the cap and then spread it all over your face to set your foundation down. I'm taking the Chella Tantalized Taped Eyebrow Cream. And it comes with a little spoolie, so I'm just going to brush it in my eyebrows like hair-like strokes, and then use a spoolie to blend the product through and to get my eyebrows where I want them. Now I'm applying the Naked Cosmetics Translucent HD Finishing Powder on my lids to set them so my eyes do not crease and the eyeshadow is vibrant. I'm taking the color Desert Sand on a Royal and Langenickle Crease and Smudge brush, and I'm going to be working this into the crease, that way we have a nice transition shade. Now with the same brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Musk and putting it right over the top of that transition shade to darken it up. the shade Ode on a big crease brush from Wet n Wild. Make sure you use a light hand because the shades are very pigmented. Now I'm going in with a smaller crease brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm using the color Saffron from the palette. I'm taking Saffron and I'm trying to keep it in the outer V and more towards the inner eye so I can create a halo eye. Now I'm taking a small smudge brush from E.l.f. Going back in with our concealer, we're going to carve out the space where we're going to put our lid shade. Now I'm going back in with the Naked Cosmetics translucent powder and an E.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm going to tap the powder with the concealer so we can set it. Now on my finger, I'm taking this shade Nerf Fitty. I'm going to leave the names down below because some of them are hard to say. Now I'm going back in that with that crease brush, and I'm just going to blend out the harsh lines just so everything looks smooth. Now going back in with my CoverGirl Ready Set concealer, I'm going to put it underneath my eyes and then blend it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. I'm going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer in the shade Park Ava or Avenue Princess. And I'm just going to be using my Wet n Wild angled contouring brush. Now I'm using my Luxie 522 tapered highlighting brush. And I'm going to use the Nomad illuminating highlighting powder in the color Stockholm. To take a little quick coffee break. And then a little dance party, you know. And then to complete the looks, I'm going in with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Copenhagen. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the makeup look, and I hope that I inspired you to recreate it. And if you recreate it, please tag me on Instagram or on Twitter. I would really love to see if you recreate it. You don't have to use the Huda Beauty palette. You can also use dupe for other colors. So yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe, turn the notification button on, and have a wonderful day, and I love you. Bella. Video. Okay.